Hey guys, it's Katie Harp, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make curved text in Canva. So to start, I have a blank canvas, and if you're on a desktop computer, which I recommend for a lot of these tutorials because it just has there's just more features available on the desktop version of Canva, and it's a little easier to use. So I'm going to press T on the keyboard, and that is a short code for creating a text box on Canva, which is cool. Otherwise, you can click on text on the side, and then you have these options for text over here. But my favorite option now is to just use the keyboard shortcut and press T. So here you're going to type in whatever text you want. So this is how to make curved text in Canva. So I might type in something pretty long because I want to curve it. So if it's straight across like this, then it takes up the entire width of the screen. But I'm just going to click on that and then go to Effects. And under shape, there's an option for curve. Okay, and then scroll down. You can see this is how much the text is curved. You can have it curved just a little bit or a lot. Like this would make it basically a half circle, which is kind of a cool look. Or depending on how long your text is, you can actually make it a circle. And if you do it like all the way like that, then it starts to overlap on itself. So depending on the length of your text, you can actually make it a circle, but you don't need it to be curved at like 100%. Like for this one, I might need it only at like 51, and that actually makes a circle. And I'm just gonna make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. So that would be a circle. Or if I decrease this, then we have about a half circle there, and there's curved text at about half. And you can always go to these dots and then center it here under position. So that looks pretty cool. Or if you want just a subtle curve, you do less. And in that case, you need to make it smaller, or it curves the other direction too. And this is like a happy face. So it's like a half circle going that direction, or you can curve it a little bit more. If you curve it all the way, you see it starts to overlap because I have a pretty long line of text. But if you want a circle going either direction, you can do it like this. And then certain words like make curved, that's at the top of the text. Or if I curve it in the opposite direction, I can still make a circle. And it kind of looks the same, but then the make curved part is at the bottom. So it's a little bit different. So that's basically how you curve the text. But then if you want something shorter, also when you double click on this, that's how you edit the text. And so it kind of shows this curve of how much you have, but then it doesn't let you type like that. So it kind of shows this curve of what your text looks like. But when you double click on it, this is the regular text. Like this is what you're editing. So I can just edit things here. And as you see, it kind of changes the curve. But then when I click off of it, then it goes back to normal. So I might make this curve like that and then move that a little bit. And then one new feature of Canva is that you can actually do curved text along with any of these other styles, which is pretty cool. So these are the different ones. Like if I wanted to do the hollow text, you could do that and have like outline text and curved text at the same time, which is pretty cool. Or you just go back to none and you can just have the curved text. So that is how you make curved text in Canva. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.